Hi there! Let's get you onboarded with Google Ad integration in the Digger app, which we curated for you so that it can be really easy and helpful. Let's get started. Navigate to the sidebar, find Integrations, and go to the Ad Providers field. There you will be introduced to Google for the first time. Click Connect to Google Ad on the right side. The next step is to insert the Google ID handle, which you can find in your Google Ad account settings. Copy the ID on top of your name account and get back to the Digger app, where you have to paste it and click Connect button. Now it's time to give access to Digger ad tracking from your Google account. First, you need to create a campaign, or if you already have it, just go to the campaign list. At the campaigns list, find Campaign Row and look for the gear icon near the right side of the campaign. Click on that, and a pop-up will be open with the settings list. Find the Additional Settings button link down at the bottom of the pop-up. Open it. Find the campaign URL options and open up the option. Then you will be introduced to the final URL suffix field. There you need to add the parameter as seen on the screen, which is dig equals creative and KWD equals keyword and gcoolid equals gcoolid, then hit enter. Parameter suffix can be found in our knowledge base at digtective.com. Click Save to save this parameter as your final URL suffix. Now you are all done connecting Digger to Google Ads.